Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedrilla. Let's get into your reading for the month of June 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Leo. And during the pre-shuffle I saw your card, which is the Strength card, and I just want to say that. Also, don't be worried about something that happened in the past. Okay, just be strong because you are the Strength card. I just want to say that. And also, if you do that, there'll be a lot of advantages for you in your life, and gaining money also will happen naturally. So the first three cards that you're seeing right now in the center is your situation. So this is your current path, this is your alternate path, this is your psychological basis, and this is your karma. So this is a spiral that I'll be repeating. Also, connecting with circles and connecting with spiral patterns or circular patterns is good for you this month. Also, if you get encounter few people who are facing difficulty in life, try to give a helping hand with them. And do it naturally, okay? So the face down of the cards are done. Let's get into the face up. We got Princess of Swords in the center. We got Worry, 5 of Discs. Disappointment. Yeah, I actually saw this card also during the pre-shuffle, and that's the reason I told, if anything happened in the past, don't be disappointed. Have the strength. And we got 5 and 5 over here, so the 5th house is getting inflicted in the Ace of Swords in the current path. And in the alternate path we got Lust. I saw this card also, these two cards basically. First I saw this and this one. So this is your card, Lust, Strength. So you got it in the alternate, meaning that you have to have the strength. As I said, you got Strife, which is also 5 in the background, 5 of Wands. We got the Universe in the karma. We got Prince of Swords, Deep Out, 7 of Cups, Prince of Cups. We got Oppression, 10 of Wands. We got the Hangman, Major Arcana. We got the Devil, Major Arcana. We got Gain, 9 of Discs, and we got 3 of Wands, which is Virtue. So we finished with your Golden Dawn spread. Alright guys, let's get into your reading. So in this situation we got Worry, Princess of Swords, and Disappointment. As I said, if you're worried about something which happened in the past, I feel like recent past, you have to have the strength and you have to move forward. Don't try to block things. If there is a good opportunity that is coming, be brave enough to explore that, and protect yourself at the same time. Don't be vulnerable to many things. If you're sensitive for few things, you have to protect yourself. Don't be vulnerable, and at the same time don't block opportunities. And that's what I'm seeing with the Princess of Swords. And also look into the things that you say to yourself. You have to be strong, mature. You have to talk to yourself in the right way, and that can help your situation. But yeah, situation is hard. I do agree that I feel like something has definitely happened that made you disappointed, that you had kind of expectations that things would happen naturally things would come to you. But I feel like it may not be happening, or it may not happened in the past, so you might have been disappointed with that. So be brave, be strong. That's what universe is telling with the alternate path, and I'll get into that. But that's the situation right now. I feel like you have to just be open to receiving opportunities. And being the Princess of Swords is definitely very good, because you are protecting yourself, and that's a natural process of the Princess of Swords. If someone is disappointed, naturally the vibration of the Taurus field will shrink, and it will protect your heart, the cardiac. So it's gonna defend itself and become the Princess of Swords in a way. And also with the current path, you can see it is a voluntary process that is happening. As I said, it's natural, but at the same time your body is responding to that, and it's becoming a tendency of your actions as well. With the Ace of Swords in the current path, you can see it is the same sword which you can see in the Princess of Swords over here. That one sword, it is appearing over here in the current path. So you're volunteering, you're doing it purposefully, in the defending yourself thing, and you're using all your knowledge to see straight away and cut through the false information. If anyone is trying to act falsely, you can see right through them this time, and in a way it is good with the Ace of Swords. But if you're trying to speak something, then be careful on what you're speaking also. I feel like there is nothing to worry. There is no some kind of wants energy playing out, so I don't feel like there is some kind of communication coming out from your side. You're not communicating also a lot this month, so yeah, in a way it is good. But yeah, it is fine is what I feel. But if I have to give one advice, don't be disappointed. And with the Prince of Swords, yeah, you are moving yourself. You're not allowing other people to dictate your life, where you have to go, and you're moving yourself. And if someone is trying to get in middle of your path, you're a little aggressive in dealing with them. But yeah, that you have to be careful, because your sword is very sharp, Ace of Swords. So be careful. That might be a significant message for you. And also with the Hangman, you have to slow down a little bit. You don't necessarily have to go very, very fast with the Princess of Swords. You can definitely wait. Or I feel like you might be upset with someone, or you might be having this anger with someone, is what I feel psychically. But I feel like you have to just calm yourself down and let the planets do its thing. Everyone will face their karma if they are wrong. So trust in the process of the universe, and at the right time people will learn the right lesson in the right way. That's the karma. And in the alternate path, we can see the devil, debauch and lust. So alternate path, it's all about comforting yourself. It's okay if you have this kind of over comforting, self-comforting thing, and I feel like if you have that this month, it's very good, because you try to, as I said before during the situation, remember what you say to yourself. If it is overly, even though if it is overly, in a way unreal, at the same time if it is very positive, it's okay. You can fantasize a little bit with the devil energy right now, because it can definitely help you be in a good state, get into this. Also be spiritual. Devil, debauch and lust is a very, very spiritual cards to come out in the alternate path. So try to be spiritual, and yeah, listen to spiritual things as well. Listen to spiritual teachers. Listen to the people who teach you. And if in case if you try to if you feel confused in something with regards to spiritual thing, it's fine. I feel like it is for your advantage only. But yeah, alternate path suggests that you have to be strong. You have to be you have to gain that strength. Also connecting with animals is good. And connecting with I'm sensing connecting with some kind of animal which is little bit wild. Even in dogs you have few breeds which are little bit wild, like German Shepherd, Rottweiler, like that. So connecting with that kind of dogs also is good, but of course do take precautions. But at the same time, I feel like it can definitely open your heart chakra a little bit even more if you do that, because we got that green energy exactly in the center, which is Anahata, and lust and strength card is all about heart. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing. In the psychological basis, we got 9 of discs, which is gain, Princess of Cups, which is court card, and strife, which is 5 of wands. So in the background, yeah, it is bringing this kind of energy where you have to gain some kind of thing, some kind of positive thing only with regards to your emotions. I feel like this is not necessarily money, but some kind of positive gain with regards to your emotions and how you feel and where your emotions are flowing. I feel like you will understand where your emotions are flowing, and this will definitely help you to navigate your emotions in the right way, and that is a strive card. So understanding where your emotions are flowing will definitely help you to navigate your emotions to go in the right way. That's the psychological basis. That's what happening in the background, and that is what is preparing for the karma. Okay, so let's get into the karma. We got the universe major arcana, oppression, 10 of wands, and 3 of wands, which is virtue. Okay, so major arcana, universe, connect with nature more, connect with animals more, especially dogs, as I said. And if you could hear, dog is barking, so the roar of wild animals and the bark of animals might be significant also. I could see in the alternate path as well, and the karma. So it's a positive thing actually to happen. It opens the heart chakra. It makes us a little bit relaxed if you're really into that connection of that heart chakra, if you really get connected with that. And with the operation 10 of wands, again, unnecessary burden will just fall away. I feel like you'll definitely, carrying that heavy bag in your shoulder, you'll definitely just leave off that heavy bag and make it fall down naturally, and you'll be free. The feeling, 10 of wands is coming next to universe. The 10 of wands, what it represents, that the feeling that you get after wearing the heavy bag for a while, for an hour, and then you release the heavy bag, that kind of relaxation that you have, that is the meaning of oppression next to universe. Without the universe, this represents the heavy bag energy, carrying the heavy bag. And next to the virtue, you have to find new things, and that's your karma. Things will whatever has to happen will happen for you, and whatever has to not happen, or whatever shouldn't be in your life, will not be there in your life. And you have to find the purpose of your life in that way. So universe will do these things. Universe will not give you the things that you don't need, and deep inside you don't really want also. So there's a reason why universe will not give you. And connecting with that anahata and heart chakra will definitely make you understand deep inside what you really want and what you really don't want. And you can see in the green energy over here also, in the Princess of Swords, it's the anahata, same. So that's all I have for you, Leo. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you haven't subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to get notified. Also check out your moon energy and Venus energy. And that's all I have for you. Also sun sign, but mainly moon sign is significant. That's all I have for you, Leo. If you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon to get notified. Also, if you want to access your own energies, you can subscribe. You can check out my business card. I offer services for tarot reading, astrological reading, life coaching, and daily readings. And these are all personal. All the price ranges are mentioned respectively. It is managed and segregated for every individual in the world. So if in case if you have any doubt in choosing the services for your problem, you can reach out to me as well, and I'll guide you with that. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for so much support, and thanks for watching, and thank you.